Hey guys, here's my final video out of these. Just showing a tour of ceiling fans. I guess maybe if there's a friend of mine, I'll show us the video. So, as of right now, this is, the last of these videos. This right here is at my grandparents' cottage. Yes, they invited me over to their cottage. And, this right here is the Canarm Unity. And the blades don't even have stencil on the other side. Because I remember on Hobby Central's videos, he has a Unity with stencil. Yeah, he has a Unity with stencil. Anyways, light. Hold forward. And I'll turn the fan on for you. Alright, this is low. Okay, here's medium. It's wobbling a little, but you probably can't see that. Those are just the rest of the pull chains. Here's the light chain again. And yeah. I'll only do cuts that contain the click that turns it on high. Because I don't want to do high because it wobbles so much. Here's medium reverse. As you can tell, it's even more wobbly. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this thing off and we're gonna move to the next fan. Okay, here we have an SMC U42. This globe might have came off of the Unity. And these pull chains are not original.
Yes.
Yeah. It's light. Here's low. Okay. Holy, it's not very sunny out, as you can tell. Here's medium. To do this quickly, because I don't want the video to cut out on me. And one of the blades are bent, so you can probably get some good RPM with it.
Okay, can we go outside to do it, or do we need to do it in here? What do you think?
I didn't know we're doing it now.
We should do it later?
Here's high.
Because I don't want to have a shower right now. I'm not in the mood for shower right now,
Are you moving the shower in 10 minutes?
this episode is 20 minutes.
I think that's perfect. Well, by the end of this episode, it should be done cutting your hair, and then you can go take a shower.
Okay. It's gonna be clippers.
I said I don't want to do it right now.
Oh, and this light's gonna be on for the video.
This right here, then, so Nope, that's not wave.
Okay. Here's low reverse. Medium. We're gonna have this light on for this fan. For now, we're just gonna focus on this one. As you can hear buzzing. Okay. Okay, SMC UB42. Okay. Thing takes pretty long to start up, so I'm gonna have to jump cut until this thing gets up to speed. Okay, it's up to speed now. Low. You can hear this fan. Medium. Okay, medium. Okay, here's high. It's wobbling. Oh, forgot to click this for ya. Here's low reverse. Medium reverse. We'll do high. No. Now that this thing's on high, you could probably start to think that this is the clicking noise, but no, it's actually that. There. Okay, I'm gonna do this quickly. You probably already know this fan. You've seen it on my last birthday. I was doing this fan, the Airworks. This fan was featured in the video. So yeah, we're gonna do low now. Push. Medium. Okay, I'm kind of in a rush here. Gotta do all the speeds quickly. Okay, here's high. This is a very good air mover. It's an SMC Laguna. Reverse. Low reverse. Pardon me. There's medium reverse. Here's high. Okay, there's high. And I'll show the light.